Hey guys, today this is going to be the official Fire Alarm Unboxing Series, Episode 2, and I hope I don't forget later on that I'm making a new Fire Alarm Unboxing Series again, like I did that other time with the unboxing of the 2901 9840, hence the reason there are two playlists with the same name. However, those are going to stay, obviously, but this one's just going to be it's kind of like starting again for a third time for some reason. So, anyways, with that out of the way, the thing that's in here, this is going to be like a first time thing for me because, like most of the other fire alarm unboxing videos, this is something that I don't have yet in my collection. Well, technically I do because it's in there and I own it. But I'm going to open it. Well, obviously, because that's why you guys are here. So I'm going to open it really quick. Well, in a minute. But I'm going to say this, which is kind of spoiling what it is. The thing that's in here is a pull station, but for the first time, it ain't a Simplex pull station of any kind. So, I might as well get into unboxing the thing, because I've already wasted around 2 minutes of video already, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright, and I am back with some scissors, which are orange, interestingly. So, let's get this open. Alright, I got the thing cut open. So now, we're gonna pull out the thing of interest, or the fire alarm related thing in interest, of interest, whatever. So you see this, and you can kind of see what it is already. So there we go. This right here is a Firelight BG12 dual action hex lock reset. That's why I have that's why I have all of these. And give me a minute. And then this fifth one. And my battery's running low, so I'll be right back. Alright. So as you can see, I'm holding the BG12 in all its glory. And while the phone was charging, because it actually died, and I had to wait for it to kind of get up and charge. So, a few things I noticed. Well, one, it already has a hex key in there, so I guess I won't be needing those. At least I don't think so. Could come in the wrong size for some reason. Imagine that. And as you can see, it's new in box. And another thing I noticed is that this is the first dual action pull station that I have in the collection. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So I'm gonna move this over a bit. And now, without wasting any more time, wasting any more of your time anyways, because you're the one watching the video. Well, maybe well, unless I'm watching the video later on. Let's get this thing open. Crap, it's coming out, it's going out of focus. Let me just lock it, there we go. Alright, so there we go. And There's a manual on the back I'll forget about within 5 minutes. You wait. Alright. All we need to do is open this. Grab all of these. The hex key. And finally, the BG12 itself. And God, how I've wanted to do that for so long. And we just stick this in and guess turn it. Hold on, what the? I don't know which way to turn it. I've never owned a BG12 before, I'm sorry. Alright. There's the inside. And I'll flip the switch up to... Oh wait, no, I don't think you actually have to. Hold on, so let's put it back in normal. Temporarily kind of close it. Oh freak. I don't know how to close a BG12. And let's pull it again. Let's try and close it again. And then open it again. So what you can do is that you can just open it, since this is spring loaded, it'll just go up. You can close it again, and it'll have this little lever right here and go up. So therefore you've reset a BG12. So now, let's lock this. And I guess that'll do it for today's video. And I hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. So, goodbye. Just kidding, guys. The video's not over just yet. So, as you can see, I have the BG12 right here. And now I have to go get the hex key. Oh, wait, no, it's over here. I'm an idiot. And while I reset it, there we go. You can see I have it on the mini system, the Wheelock MT up there, which I have yet to have another video of, at least of it testing, because I haven't tested yet. And my former newest pull station, which is a 4099. Oh, it's over here. I'm again an idiot. A 4099 9001, which came from my middle school, because they're replacing the old system. And thus now I have this, and a smoke detector, which is, hold on, right there, 2098 9652, which is completely unrelated to BG12, I know, but yeah, just kind of wasting y'all's time a bit more. So, yeah. Expect to see some videos of the mini system somewhat soon. I said that now, it'll probably be like 2 years. Because I'm planning to like try and do something with the mini system to kind of like build onto it. Perhaps merging the board with the coded pull station, which I'm gonna grab really quick. I'm kind of just showcasing random fire alarms I have in my collection at this point. Again, I know, wasting your time with the 4263-1. Like kind of merging them like that, or perhaps putting them on a wall. Take this one for example. Nothing really interesting about that, but whatever. And just yeah, having the power supply and stuff being hooked up to it, and possibly putting that on the system as well. Thing is, I don't have a panel, so I don't know how that would work. So I guess there's not really much else to talk about. So now, this is the real ending of the video this time. Or is it? Maybe it's not. Well, I don't know. So, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.